In this video, we are going to learn about Python basics. So the next operator is the plus operator. So we can perform arithmetic operations directly in Python language. So the very first one is the plus operator. This usually produces a new tuple. If I would like to add two group of tuples will always be represented using round brackets. So there is a tuple 1, 2, 3, and there is a tuple 4, 5, 6. So both the tuples, if I want to add, it's not totally about addition, but it's totally about mixing the elements together. So that is what we perform as a tuple. This is what we say it as tuple addition. It's not about adding 1 to 4, 2 to 5, and 3 to 6. But it's about mixing the two tuples and forming a new one. So here it's given. The same case is for the list also. List will be usually represented using square brackets. 1, 2, 3 is list number 1 and 4, 5, 6 is list number 2. What I am doing, I am just adding the two lists and merging the two lists. In this case, the third case is like I have two strings. The thing is, hello is one string. It is given with a double quote. Along with that, I have been given with a space. Space is also considered as a string. Plus, and plus I'm given with another set of string called world. So the output will be hello world. So here the next arithmetic operation is nothing but star. I'm multiplying the value. Multiplying the value means it's not about 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. But it's like 1 to 3, we have three tuples like that. 1 to 3, we have three lists like that. Hello, there is a string. We have three strings like that. So that is the main meaning for this kind of operator. Okay, sequence types operators. When operators are used with sequence, what we have to do? So that is what we say here. So this produces a new tuple. A new tuple will be produced, a new list will be produced, and a new string will also be produced, but the number of times gets increased. So the next one is mutability, tuples, and the list. So which is mutable, which is immutable? Uh, so that we are going to see in the forthcoming slides. So Li is nothing but the list. We mentioned with the square bracket, we have various types of data, string, floats, normal numbers we have. So in the second step, I have a coding called li of 1, which means that I would like to fetch up the data uh, uh, li of 1. Which means that no, not like fetching up the data, but it's like including the data in position number 1. Okay, so what data I have to include? I have to include 45. So I'm listing up the data. I want to see the output. So li. So what would be the new output? ABC, 45, 4.84, 23. So what I am doing, I just replace the value. So 23 has been replaced with 45. So that is why we call every list as mutable. I can change the list, but it's like I can always edit the list because of that we say it as mutable, but it's like the replacement. Tuples are immutable. Okay, tuples will always be represented by square brackets. You can't change a tuple. So T of data are given. T of 2. 2 is nothing but 0, 1 and 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Uh, um, yeah. So tuple is not editable. So I'm getting a error. Yes. So operations on list only. Li is given. So the list is given. Li dot append. So if we want to include a data or character or element in the list, of course I can do it. Okay, because tuples are not editable or mutable, but lists are mutable. How can I do a insert This is nothing but append. We have a command called li.append of A. Okay. So A is a character which I have to append. Okay, where it will get appended? It will appended at the end of the list. I want to see the output, so I have mentioned li. Li dot insert 2 comma I. Okay. Insert 2 comma I means I have to replace the second position with I. So that is the meaning. Append means just add in the list, but insert means in the second position, insert this. So in the third position, insert this. If the position is not is not that much important, then we can go with the append position, append command. If position is important, then we can go with insert command, and the location can be given, mentioned as a 0, 1, 2, or 3 based on the necessary. Okay. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video of Python. See you. Bye bye.